And I'm back with another garden update. Last time we spoke, I was telling y'all that we had the seedlings, these onion that were sprouting. We had those on the little warming pad. Y'all remember that video? If you don't, just go take a look at that. But today we're gonna be putting these onion seedlings in the ground because it's time. It's time. So we're also going to be doing preparing some soil for some of this lettuce also that we need to plant as well. Now granted, it is still seeming like it is spring here in Georgia. It's hot. We're in zone 8A, 8B-ish, and it just seems like we are not going to get a fall and probably not a winter because we're like a week away from Thanksgiving and it's still hot. Like, it's still hot out here. But anyway, we're gonna go out to the garden and try to get this all situated. And so I'll see y'all in the garden. So what you about to be doing today?
Transplanting these onions to the raised bed. And the onions love nitrogen. We're gonna fertilize the soil with a little bit of blood meal. Well, the ones you see sprouted now that probably took almost 4 weeks. There's actually supposed to be more. This center row here is another variety, but it seems to be taking them a lot longer. As you can see, only a few of those sprouted. I think that variety was called plethora. The ones that we're planting right now are the Texas super sweet variety. They seem to be germinating fairly well. Two to 4 inches. Depending on how you want them to grow, if you want them to grow in bunches, you can grow them pretty close, but if you want bulbing type, then you should go about 6 inches, which is what I'm doing right now for distance wise. I'm probably going to stagger them, meaning I'm going to stagger them from, if I plant them on this side, I'm going to plant on the opposite side where there's a gap, so they won't be so tight together. For that bend to your right, I plan on getting that field with some soil so I can prepare some lettuce to go in them. That is the plan.
Oops, the one knocked down. What is that? Swiss chard?
Chard from last year.
Still hanging in there. Still hanging.
Chard this out. It was chard from last year.
What, this bell pepper?
Yeah.
We got one over here. Nah, not yet. It's still, it ain't time for no harvest. Probably need to harvest these tomatoes. Let me go get the thing. Oh, it's a lot of them. When I just was out here, what day that was? We were just out here the other day. And it's already time. Yeah, because we're gonna need to be canning. So you say get all the ones that be like a reddish blush. They smell so good too. So good. So what's the deal with this? Like when it's like that?
That's probably that bug.
That bug?
That's kind of, I think they ain't in the world for it, but they'll probably be planning on having it next spring this time.
Yeah, because when I came out here yesterday, it was on some down there, so I'm gonna look and see how they are. Nah, cause they, like I said, they about to take over like how the squash was last year. So when it's this small like this, we don't really need to do it, even though it's got a little blushing on it.
I mean, if you want, that's a different variety. That's not a hawk, so that's kind of like a regular homestead tomato. So that's probably as big as it's gonna get. It can stay there if you wanted to.
This one look good, real good.
If you want to get it before they stab at it, you can. Just put it in a brown paper bag and continue
to turn red.
Yeah, probably it'll speed the process up.
So that little thing did all of this, like this right here.
A lot of them, that's the whole problem. It don't be just one, it be a lot of them.
I know, but it did this. What's this?
No, that's scarring. Probably a little bit of end rot that was starting, but I put a little calcium nitrate out about a week or so ago, so it probably helped a little bit. The rest, the new ones that are coming in don't seem to have
any scarring like that. Yeah, cause those hanging right there, they look pretty good.
Butterflies that I can't stand.
Took you out the game.
They take you out. What I'm talking about is the cabbage farm.
All that, we could have had cabbage coming up for Thanksgiving.
Yep.
But
We're not giving out a free buffet.
so this is the harvest. I don't know y'all can see it, but got a few tomatoes. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 3 peppers. So, huh?
On top of the other 10, 12 centimeters.
Those are facts. Those are facts. Some fried green tomatoes sound good, but do they need to be bigger or they can be this small?
Yeah, any size you want, as long as it's green and firm.
So,
Choose a homestead or a house. The house are the bigger ones. I'll tell you right now.
they're gonna be from up this way.
And
Oh, there you
every
go.
other one, I think I staggered them. Every other one is a house tomato. So that one, you can kind of tell by the size of it. The homestead ones kind of have more of a perfect circle shape.
Ooh, this smells so fresh. So fresh. I smell it.